Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to test Google's Antigravity 2.0. They just released not too long ago um, in Google's AI conference, and want to testing it from downloading it by following this demo video. I'm going to test it and how easy or how difficult that is. I'm going to record everything so that you can follow my mouse click without hiding. So you can always see my struggling, and there's no, you're going to see every single clicks I have, basically. To by the end of this video, if everything's go through properly, you should see a functional street gassing games by see street gas game if I follow the instruction correctly by this demo video. So without further ado, let's go. So first of all, you want to go to antigravity.google/download and then go to this page to download the Antigravity 2.0. Depends on your operating system, you're going to download it. Most likely, if you're a PC, you'll download 64x64. And then if you are in Mac, you want to choose the right silicon, Apple Silicon or Intel. Linux, if you are able to use Linux, I think pretty much you're pretty advanced already, and then you can follow those documentation. This video is for non-technical people with come with your domain knowledge and you're eager to make your own applications. So with that, and let's go start. And you can right here I'm working on Windows, so download Windows 64. Then it will save into this file into my download folder. And then after that, I just click on get it going and double click on it. So it's start installing. Let's see how it goes. And then it will keep going. Right. So I think in the video maybe I'll cut this portion while I'm waiting. So while we okay, all right. So where did it go? Where did the installation go? Did it finish? I don't know. Oh, so there's a page coming up right here on my second screen. I just move it over. So it's loading Antigravities right now. By the way, you can see my timestamp right here. I'm not cutting corners. So security note, data use, you click on next. Favorite, I'm going to pick light for me. Next. So building with Google. So in that demo video, you click on modern web guidance, Chrome dev tools, and then Google Antigravity SDK. If you are developing Google, if you are developing on Android, feel free to click on Android as well. I'll just click on Android just in case if I want to do it later on. This splash screen will only happening from the very beginning. You won't be able to see this one again. It's a plugin package of the skills and MCP to help agent in Antigravity work with Google developer product. You can always change your choice in settings. Somehow it was not the case for me. It's not easy to find it. Maybe we'll find it later on. So for now, we click on finish, and so selecting the thinking level. Yeah, you can dismiss it for now. Quota increase. Okay, if you are on the pay plan, your Gemini quota has been reset for week and increased by 3 times moving forward, keeping building. Oh wow, okay, that's nice. Okay, so there's some of the pop-up popping up right here. So we're kind of walking you through. You can create a new project. Sure, let's create a new project. So let's create a new folder. click on it. Okay, it's take a while to coming up. So I click a couple times, so a couple of the um, um, Windows Explorer coming up for me. So I have to close it. It was a little bit slow to me. So for me, I would create it on my users home directory. I always create a project called MAS projects, and then within my underscore projects. If you are on my class, you know this is my structure. So you put your structure, you put your project in here. So so I'm going to create a new project, call it Street Game. Street Game. I'm going to call it YouTube example. Right? So I'm going to select that folder, and then that is a new folder we created just right now. So we select that folder, and then that folder is created, right? And then we can close it, I believe. Okay, and close it right here. So this is the anti-gravity apps or desktop. Is if you are having experiences with cloud code or cloud desktop, this experience is very similar to cloud work or cloud desktop. Um, if you go to Codex, the user experience is very similar. So you know the industry is going toward to these directions, right? So this one is uh, Codex, right? So I think in the right, see, it looks so similar. If you don't go to help, it's kind of hard to tell which is what, right? So this one is Codex documentations, right? So this one is anti-gravity right here. See how similar is that, right? And then if you go to cloud code or cloud desktop, so that is again very similar user experiences as well, right? So this one is um, cloud code, right? And this is anti-gravity, and this one's a cloud code. And then some of the things I can demo for open code as well, right? So open code looks a little bit like a Linux kind of thing, right? And the user experiences are very slightly different, but it's the idea everyone is going toward to that direction is kind of integrated with agentic chat windows, right? But of course, this one is much more than the traditional chat windows. I'm going to pause for minutes for a second to do the sound check for now.